Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 10.2 question number 4. Draw a map giving instructions to your friend so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. This is friend's house. First he has to go 5 km. After going 5 km he will get a hospital, and from there you get a right turn to the south, and from there she has to go 2 km to the south. He'll get a post office there, right? After going 2 km from post office, he goes again to the south 3 km. He'll get a the park, that is the city park, and from city park he has to get a right turn again and go to the west position. Here this is, if you draw the position or the direction here, then it will be like this. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south direction, right? First is go to the east position, east, towards east 5 km he'll get a hospital. Then she has to go 2 km to the south, she will get a post office. After that she has to go 3 km, she will get a park, that is city park. From here she has to go to the west, this is the west position, west 7 km, so that she will get my house with ease without any difficulty. This is a rough sketch of the map giving instructions to my friend, right? This is the friend's house. First he has to go 5 km. From here he will get a hospital here. After that he goes to the south 2 km, he will get a post office. After that she will get to the south again 3 km, she will get a city park, and from city park he has to go to the west direction, this is the west 7 km west, so that she will get my house, right? And here you see, near my house there is a library here, private library, private library, private library. This is a private library, and beside my house there is also a school here. This is a school, primary school. This is the primary school, primary school. Then my friend will get my house without any difficulty, primary school. In this way, she starts from here, goes 5 km to the hospital. After that, it goes to the south 2 km, she will get the post office. After that, she again goes to 3 km to get the city park, and from city park, she goes to the west position, west 7 km, and she will get my house without any difficulty. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.